Hello, good morning and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be another Bunzel compare the two. Haven't done one in ages but thought I would bring it back. So it's going to be a little bit of vlog stuff for the beginning and then I'll sit down at the end and talk about it. Basically, I've always wondered whether curling your lashes like with an eyelash curler actually makes a difference. So what I'm going to be doing for the next week, I am going to be curling one side, like one eye. So I'm going to be curling my left eye, and then my right eye I'm just going to be leaving. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. So this is day one. It is Wednesday today. So automatically it gives a bit of a difference. If you can see, it's just brought these lashes up a bit, but we'll see how it looks after putting mascara. That is with mascara on. I would say that day one, it makes a difference if you're not wearing mascara. If you want to curl your lashes, don't know how long that would last, but just in general I don't think it makes a difference after. If you're just doing it as a once off, you don't put much makeup on or you don't curl your lashes that much, I would say you don't really need to. Hello, so it's day two. I've had a no makeup day, but I thought I should curl my left lash. So as you can see, it's definitely an instant difference, especially without mascara. It is Friday, the third day. I've again had a no makeup day apart from my eyebrow. But yeah, I'm just going to curl my left lash again. Apologies for the yellow light, that's just rude. Again, instant thing. Tomorrow I'll probably put mascara on, so we'll see if it's actually made a difference for curling for a couple of days. It is Monday, which is day 6. I'm going to curl my lash and then put mascara on. Alright, so that's just the top lashes, just so you can see a little bit better. Sorry about the shadows, by the way. I actually think it's made a difference this time. My lashes on this side look a little longer and more curled, where this one, they just don't seem to pop as much. Mine will be. Of the whole, does an eyelash curler actually work? If you're not wearing any mascara at all, it definitely works. If you just want like a no makeup day but you want that little bit of lash lift, great. If you're putting mascara on and you're only wanting to curl your lashes, it's just for like a one-day thing, then I personally don't really think there's anything to it. I don't think it makes that much of a difference. So if you don't wear makeup that often, then it's probably doesn't make a difference to curl your lashes. If you're wanting to curl your lashes over time or you wear makeup every day, anything like that, I do think it makes a difference. As you would have seen, it made a little bit of a difference when I was curling my lashes for like consecutive days, and then once I put mascara on, it did make a little bit of a difference. So I think you'd have to do it for a little bit over a week. I do think that if you're wearing makeup a lot, then it does make a difference if you want to do that. But I think if you personally want to full on curl your lashes, there are those like lash lift things that you can do now. Personally, after doing this, I'm not going to change with curling my lashes every single time I put mascara on or anything like that. I did curl this lash again today, just so you can see if you guys think it made a difference. But yeah, definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think or your experience with curling your lashes with an eyelash curler. Does an eyelash curler really work? Not as much as you would think. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like it and comment down below yeah, what you guys think. Do you prefer without curling your lash? So decide. Or do you prefer curling your lash and then putting mascara on. Yeah, subscribe down below and I will see you guys next week. Bye.